This is our moment. 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 Gladiator in this auto war. What you think that I've been fighting for? Got a cape on like a superhero. They rushing at me like a matador. Nah, I don't need your energy. I don't need the negativity. I'm just trying to bring my people up. Promise y'all I got the remedy. Straight to the roof, tell them we bringing the troops. We got a little surprise, you thinking that we ain't the truth. We give it 120, we never make an excuse. So go run and tell everybody doubting that we coming for you. This is our moment, always on the grind till the sun come on us. They can never control us, running for the prize, raise high for the toast. This is our moment, always on the grind till the sun come on us. They can never control us, running for the prize, raise high for the toast. This is our moment. This is our moment. This is our moment.